welcome to the mix. And on the mix we have Marcia. Now Marcia is asking this young lady to stop harassing her. Lady sending her message in her messenger and also on her WhatsApp. So go ahead and check the video and see what she has to say. And remember to always like, share, comment, and subscribe on the channel. And have yourselves a beautiful day.
Hold on, the people. Hold on. Cause them a girl, I think, you know, have the nerve to come in a place. Have the nerve to come in a me inbox, in a messenger. That it was March or something. And I left message. Dirty girl, something wrong with you? Listen. Me don't want you. I left a message on my phone. You're obsessed with me. You're obsessed about house. You're obsessed with me. Oh, me not have no man. Hold on there. Me not have the man. Hold on there. Hold on there. Me not have the man. Me sure no say this is a hand. Right there so. This is a hand. Right there so. Let me make sure I cover it. Let me make sure I cover it. Let me make sure I cover it. Let me make sure I say me cover it. You understand? Let me make sure I cover it. You come show me for your man. Let me make sure I cover it. Let me make sure I cover it. See right there, sir? How the phone there? See right there, sir? This is a hand wrap around my neck. Right there, sir. Right there, sir. And that was today. And that was this evening. Wanna see it good? Wanna see it good? See it there? See me right there, so me just scream at if I made a phone. See what? Cause me just see it there? See one hand wrap around my neck. You see the hand of the shirt? Wrap around my neck and me lie down right there, so. And relaxing. Me not sure if I can lie down in the lap and put your hand around me and relaxing. Come and show me for your man. Come and show me for your own. Wait. Come and show me yours. I mean, if not too long left here, go ask the neighbor them. Because all of them out there. I mean, come and show me yours. He was right here, lying down. Me lie down there 12 fast asleep. And he had me at the hand. So come show me yours. You look like you walk and watch me punani. And if you walk and watch I do. You walk in and watch me booty. You send me a message in a WhatsApp. And then you say, I don't care what you have. Non-emancipated girl. I don't care what you have. We are harass me for. We are walk on a WhatsApp and send me a message. And then you send me a message. I don't care. And me alone have an opinion about Seymour and Chrissy we gone a long time. Will you come and accost me for in a WhatsApp, in a messenger? I send me message. How are they? I watch the page where she send me message pan. Hold on there. I go and expose your ass. How are they? How are they? How where it is? Upon the page. Away near. Away. How many see coming at that one here? Hold on there. How you get to different messages now? Another one. Another one. March. January, February. March 24th. April. March 24th. Hold on, let me soon find it. You're obsessed with me. You're obsessed. Me not lie. You're obsessed with me. You're obsessed. Oh, you now come show up in our phone now. You're obsessed with me. March. You're obsessed. I'm going like you're a bad girl. Make you ever catch you for your work and step in a file for harassment. Let me tell you now what's your name. Hold on there. Let me tell you now what's your name. I'm going to that phone now. Let me go in that phone now. Want to left. Alright. Hold on there. So me I show you how the woman come and I mind my house. And if my house dirty, then I your house. And me and my house is not yours. See the me never hold on there. Coco, tap in nice. Coco, tap in nice because you don't want no food. Your dish full of food. Tap in nice. You love too much. You love too much attention right now. Me never video it. Me na it depend she name. Behave yourself from I take away from us. Show blood cause up the bad words there. Keep yourself quiet. Me not take me listen to me. I don't know if I can cook with me because I can't take nice right now. Me don't want nothing interfere with my little peace and sanity. That is crazy. I wish I had something go a while ago. No, I can't get it. You like use them? Me never. Hold on there. Coco, tap in this. So me not record that one. Okay. Alrighty. Then maybe press the recording. I mean, I wasn't press the recording. I mean, never press the recording. To show you all these people are very provincious. That's why me, anytime I come out here and cuss out there, so nothing I say nothing. Nobody no recognize her.
Ignorant fucking views about them can't fart in the house code. Somehow a real man mascot in there. You don't have no blood clot man, but you freaking give advice. Cause shut him out and sit your freaking ass down with your cockroach infested house and your freaking nasty freaking cat litter. Oh yeah, talk about she too much. Move him, yes man. I want a real mascot in there before you freaking sympathize with a woman. Woman can know okay, so her house for dirty and nasty like yours. She have children in the house. So she's not supposed to people.
Know that woman there. Only don't know she name she's harassing me. She's harassing me. You love front. You look like you ain't getting no dicky. Well, I'm getting some, so I guess you love front. Me no, I guess so. Hold on there. I will she name. What's your name? Hold on there. This is woman. Always I send me message in my phone. She name hold on. It now show up in her phone upon a messenger. Maybe because this phone is new and it's not coming up in this messenger. In this messenger it's not coming up. But just to show you when I come out here, let me delete this. This is a trash. Just to show you when I come out here, and these are the mother heifers that comes into my my space and interfere with me, and then them come on Facebook and talk about and she's this and she's that, but them now see when these people come and inbox me and interfere with me. Yeah. Let me see if me get her name. Hold on there. Let me tell her what she name. Hold on. Hold on there.